Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. I will share you some lovely and unique Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, Christmas every Christmas has a heartbeat, and it's begin right at the center of your home. The centerpiece is just a decoration, it's the soul of the celebration. It's gather lights, color and love and tell a story that words cannot. Picture this: a flicker of candlelight dancing on golden ornaments, the scent of fresh beans mixed with cinnamon and hope, and the spark of fairy lights whisper Christmas is here. You don't need grand things, just a little imagination, a few branches or evergreen, some ribbon, berries, maybe a touch of snow dust, and instantly your table transforms into a winter wonderland. Every piece you place carry a feeling, the joy of giving, the comfort of home, the warmth of being together after long years apart. Around the centerpiece, stories are shared, gifts are opened, and heart find peace again. It's not about how perfect it looks, it's about love flying thought it, because Christmas decoration isn't about glitter, it's about scented. Every spark, every petal, every flame is a reflection of how much we care. The people beside us, so light your candles, let the garland shine, and let your centerpiece remind everyone that Christmas just a season, it's a feeling that began at home. We wait and friends, Christmas every Christmas our home transforms, not just with the lights and ornaments, but with the warmth of memories reborn. And right at the center of all lies a story, tall thought, pastel candles and pins, the Christmas centerpiece. It's not morally decoration, it's the heart of celebration. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for